go.
You guys are the luckiest people ever. I kid you not. I've got goosebumps.
Oh my god, that's so cool.
You are very...
Yeah. Did you feel that around you?
Yeah, and we felt it
on my back.
in the legs.
They went.
It was like walking.
This is quite heavy. Quite heavy.
I took a video.
Really heavy.
I'm buzzing right now.